Hello, amazing learners, and welcome back to our classroom adventure. I'm so excited to see all your smiling faces today. Are you ready to have some fun with letters? Fantastic! Today, we're going on a special mission to meet the very first letter of the alphabet. Can anyone guess what it is? That's right! It's the letter A. Look over here. This is a big letter A, what we call an uppercase A. It looks like a tall, pointy mountain, doesn't it? It has two long, slanty legs and a little bridge in the middle. Let's try to draw it in the air together. Ready? Start at the top. Slant down to one side. Go back to the top. Slant down to the other side. And then, swoosh! Cross it in the middle. Great job, everyone! You just made a big A. Big A is super important. We see it at the beginning of sentences and for special names, like our friend, Alex. Now, every big letter has a little partner. And this is a little letter A, or lowercase a. Isn't it cute? It looks like a little round ball with a small stick on the side. Let's try drawing this one in the air too. First, make a circle. Round and round we go. And then add a little line right next to it. Perfect! You've made a little A. We see this little A all over the place in our books. Big A and little a are best friends. They make the same sound, even though they look different. And what sound does the letter A make? It makes a sound like you're about to take a big bite of a yummy apple. It goes ah, ah, ah. Can you make that sound with me? Open your mouth wide and say ah, ah, ah. It's like you're at the doctor's office. Ah, ah, ah. Fantastic! You sound like alphabet superstars. Now for the super fun part. Let's think of some words that start with our new favorite sound. I'll start. I'm thinking of something red, crunchy, and delicious. An apple. That's right. Apple starts with A. Can you say apple? Excellent. What about a tiny insect that works really hard carrying crumbs? An ant. Good job. Let's say it together. Ant. I see another A word buzzing around. It's a flying friend that helps us solve puzzles. It's an arrow. An arrow points away. See how arrow starts with that sound? You guys are getting so good at this. How about a brave person who travels into outer space? An astronaut. Wow! Imagine flying in a spaceship. Astronaut starts with A. Let's play a little game. I'm going to say a word, and if it starts with the sound of A, I want you to give me a big thumbs up. If it doesn't, give me a thumbs down. Are you ready? Okay, first word is alligator. Alligator. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yes, thumbs up. Alligator starts with A. Next word, banana. Banana. Does that start with A? No way. Thumbs down. Great listening. How about airplane? Airplane. Thumbs up. You got it. Last one, cat. Cat. Thumbs down. Amazing job, everyone. Now, let's get our creative hands ready. We're going to make our very own letter A craft. We're going to turn the big A into an amazing alligator. You can draw a big A on a piece of paper. Then, you can add some googly eyes at the top point. On the little bridge in the middle, you can draw lots of sharp, pointy teeth. And don't forget to give your alligator a long, swishy tail coming off one of the legs. You can color it green or any color you like. Your A is for alligator craft will look so cool. And while we're crafting, let's sing a little song about our letter A. It goes like this. Sing with me. Apples and ants are all around. A says ah, ah, ah. Alligators in the swamp are found. A says helps us remember the sound. Let's read a super short story together. I'll read it, and I want you to listen carefully for all the A words with the A sound. An ant saw an apple. The apple was amazing. The ant asked an alligator for help. Ah, said the alligator, and away he ran. How many A words did you hear? We heard ant, apple, amazing, ask, alligator, and ah. That's a lot of A's. Reading is an adventure where we can find letters everywhere. Before we go, let's practice writing our letters one more time. Find your magic writing finger. For big A, down, down, and across. For little a circle and a line. You did it! You have been absolutely amazing today, learning all about the awesome letter A. You learned what big A and little a look like, the A sound they make, and so many words that start with A. I am so proud of you. Keep looking for the letter A everywhere you go, on signs, in books, and on boxes. You will be surprised how often you see it. Thank you for joining our learning adventure today. It was so much fun exploring the letter A with you. Don't forget to ask a grown-up to help you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our next letter adventure. See you next time, brilliant learners. Bye-bye.